So today is Electric Guitar Day here on Music 101. We're going to explore some fast picking techniques, okay, for beginners. If you're a beginner, this is the first step, okay? First, you have to really sync your picking hand and your fretting hand. How do we do that? We practice slow, one finger. Let's simplify it. You're going to play one finger on the 5th fret, first string, any fret. You can choose any fret. We're going to sync your picking hand, okay? By plucking it down and up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Think about it like a cycle. One cycle is down, up, down, up. Okay? That's one cycle. So, one, down, up, down, up. That's one cycle. Okay? Now, if you haven't really found your gripping pick, how to grip your pick, the general rule of thumb is, hold this pick like this. The tip of the pick is here, your thumb there, your index finger, like this. Okay? So for now, where your index finger is pointing, that's where the pick will be pointing for now. Okay? That's your starting point. Sometimes advanced guitar players will do this, totally pointing the index finger backwards. Okay? Like this. But a good starting point is this one. Okay, and then the rest of your fingers will be tucked in or arched like this. Okay, but it depends on the situation. I don't exclusively pick this way. Sometimes you see me pick this way. Sometimes you see me pick this way. It really depends on the situation. If you're purely picking, just using the pick, that's okay. You can pick it this way. Arch fingers. But if you're doing like a hybrid picking, I'm picking with my 2nd finger, okay, and my 3rd finger. So what I'm doing there, I'm picking with my pick, and I pick my 2nd middle finger, and then my 3rd finger, my ring finger. Do that. Sometimes when I play fast, like an arpeggio or arpeggiated chord, I totally don't use the pick and do this, like because I like using my other fingers even though I'm using electric guitar. So don't try to get stuck with using a pick only. Try to use other finger techniques also, okay? But in this exercise, well, let's not go there. This exercise, we're using a pick, okay? We're syncing both hands now, so. One finger, one pattern is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Do that first, okay? First string, 5th fret, all in the 5th fret. Down, up, then down, up, down, up. Do that again. Because we're doing that because the real focus is if you're playing with your 1st finger first. Always the 1st finger, so your emphasis is on your 1st finger, okay? Now, that's the first one, that's the first step. Second step is adding your 2nd finger. Like that. So one cycle is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So let's try that. There you go. Then once you get that right, once you're comfortable with that already, we move up the strings. There you go. Don't mind the other strings if they buzz. We're just focusing on syncing your fingers. For muting the strings, we'll do that in another time. So just focus here. There you go. Next is syncing your third finger along with the first and second. So down, up, down, up, down, up. This is kind of you need a rest here after this. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, there it is. Okay. Now, once you get used to that, you get the idea. We add the pinky now. So that's this is a complete set cycle. So. There you go. Now, don't mind if you make mistakes. Practicing is really ugly. So, don't mind the mistakes for now. Just focus on the goal here. Your goal is to sync your fretting hand and your picking hand. Okay? So here. Now, one more thing is focus on this. The downbeat. You need to focus on the downbeat. So, the emphasis that. Like that, okay? There you go. So spend time with this exercise, okay? The next one is actually one pick per finger. So this is like the spider exercise, but not. Yeah, well, you can think of it the same. It's like the spider exercise, but here we go. Okay, the difference why I said it's not the spider exercise because you don't need to keep your fingers in place while you're moving. Okay, you can move it. This you're not stuck on the strings. Okay, so. There you go. So that's why it's important to go through those spider exercises because it's really strict, you know? You went through that. If you went through that already, this should be easy for you, okay? Then you do it downward. There you go. Now, use a metronome. I don't have a metronome right now, but use a metronome and gradually increase the speed of the exercise, okay? Then going up. There you go, okay? First exercise recap is just one finger. Then second one. Third one is plus. There's a rest there after the third finger. The fourth one is complete. And then the last one is one finger per pluck. One pluck per finger. Once you get that right, stay with that and then increase the exercise, the speed of the tempo. Make sure your grip, find your grip, whatever is comfortable for you. But the starting point is this, okay? Where your index finger is pointing at, do that. Then later on, you're gonna curl that first finger, your pointer finger, a little bit. See? But that's a good starting point, like this, okay? So, good luck on your guitar journey, and I'll see you in the next one.